Hey everyone, you probably heard of OpenClaw. It's good stuff. Here is a quick demo we built using OpenClaw, which includes a patient, a pharmacist agent, and a physician.
Phew, I should really check on my prescription.
Hello, I am Agent Smith, the pharmacy agent, reporting for duty. All right, now let's find Shunmugam's name in these files. There he is. Now let's see what prescription he is looking to pick up. Simvastatin. Perfect. Let me double check with Shunmugam that this is correct. Now let me check if it is ready for pickup. Still pending. All right, I will have to contact the physician. Let's see. Dr. JP's phone number is right here. Let me send him a message.
Oh, right, I forgot about that one. Let me check for drug interactions first. No issues detected. Sending the ERX now. It's a good thing that I caught this between consultations, otherwise this would have had to wait.
Let's see if the ERX went through. Okay, checking on the status of simvastatin again. Looks like it's good to go. I will let the patient know.
Wow, I didn't have to wait or listen to any hold music. I didn't have to press 1 for this or 2 for that. That was a very smooth process, easy and quick. I'll pick up my prescription on the way home.
I think I need an agent too, just like the pharmacy. That would save me some time.
Okay, here is Shunmugam's name. Looks like he is looking to pick up simvastatin. Perfect. Now let me just check the physician agent's phone number and reach out to it. Hi, I am Agent Jones, the physician agent. I have to send in Shunmugam's ERX. Let me first make sure there is no drug-on-drug interaction. Looks like the erythromycin has not been filled in over 2 years, so we are good to go, sending the ERX and letting Dr. JP know that everything has been taken care of.
Amazing. I am happy I set up that agent. I don't even have to lift a finger.
That was super easy and very fast. The pharmacy has an agent, the physician has an agent. Should I, the patient, not have one too?
The pharmacy deploying an agent is a wonderful idea. The physician deploying an agent as well is even more intriguing. As we are now looking at a society where agents interact with agents, notice that efficiency escalates as there are more and more agents. Indeed, the pharmacy agent cannot do much until the physician has responded. Now, this same setup can be deployed for many of our problems where several parties need to collaborate. What we need is audacity of imagination.